All-party Hurriyat Conference has urged the United Nations and the global community to urgently intervene and address the long-standing Kashmir dispute in accordance with the United Nations resolutions. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued after a meeting of the APHC leaders in Srinagar, appealed to the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres to take steps to resolve the Kashmir dispute. Ahead of the sixth phase of polling for the sham Indian parliamentary elections on May 25th, nearly 200 additional companies of the Indian paramilitary forces have been deployed across Rajouri and Poonch districts, giving the appearance of a military drill rather than an election exercise. Deployment of the additional companies of the Central Armed Police Forces and Armed Forces is nearly equal in Rajouri and Poonch districts, with each district expected to receive approximately 100 companies of the paramilitary forces and the armed forces. Narendra Modi-led Indian regime has targeted the senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq and some local bureaucracy members in occupied Kashmir by booking them in a fake case. The FIR states that if the charges against Mirwais are proven, the compromised judiciary will confiscate the land and house in which he resides. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has said that the illegal and unconstitutional 2019 decision of the Modi-led Indian government in occupied Kashmir is reversible and vowed to keep it alive. In a media interview in Srinagar, Abdullah stated that the decision to hollow out the Article 370 was a man-made decision and every man-made decision can be reversed. Terry Maza, member of the Texas House of the Representatives, has reiterated the United States' commitment to upholding the human rights and advocating for peace and democracy worldwide. Addressing a Kashmir conference organized by the Friends of Kashmir International in Texas, Maza stated, "We stand with the oppressed against the oppressor, and soon a resolution will be presented in the Texas House to express solidarity with the Kashmiris."